Hey Medjool date fans, this is Jen Swanson here, fitness coach and founder of J-Swan Moves, a low impact exercise platform offering Pilates, strength training, and cardio workouts. So I have a really fun and effective exercise that I want to show you today. And then we're going to go down into my kitchen together and make a really yummy shake with Medjool dates to refuel ourselves. So let's get working out and then we'll go treat ourselves. We're going to do a really simple but effective exercise for those glute muscles that doesn't require any equipment. You can do it anytime, anywhere. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pick up the right leg as our left knee stays on the mat. You want to flex your foot, really pushing that heel towards the sky. We're going to bring the knee down, just tap the mat, and then we're going to push it up as far as we can without arching the back. Pull the knee down to the mat. Push the heel up to the ceiling. And then we're gonna move into hydrants. So these are donkey kicks. And now a hydrant will work the outside of your glute muscle. Stay in the same position. And we're just gonna open the leg to the side and close it back in. So not only does this move strengthen the glutes, but it also works obliques and helps support hip mobility as well. I recommend trying 10 reps of each of those moves and running through that circuit 2 to 3 times if you can. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for my shake.
This recipe is so simple. Start with a cup of almond milk, a cup of blueberries, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of almond butter, a banana, and of course 3 Medjool dates for added sweetness, nutrients, and tons of fiber. You can even add in your favorite protein powder. This is definitely a family favorite in our house. Cheers!